T-Dog, and you normally know me for my gaming videos, but today I'm going to be doing a Scratch tutorial. So I will go onto my stuff and I will go onto this project that has nothing on it. In today's video I'm just going to be showing you how you should make a character. So there is the obvious choosing a sprite from Scratch, and they are quite creative and there's quite a lot, but sometimes there's not enough accessibility with them. So what you can do is paint one. You need to come up with an original character, a character that you can use quite a lot or just for this one animation. So I'll just go with a simple little character, and you can make whatever sort of character, being as complex or as simple as you want. As you can see, I'm just simply making a little character here, little block guy, and I'm going to give him some circle eyes. When making a character, you're going to want to have all of the pieces on them separated, because then you can move them around when animating. For example, all of the pieces here are separated, but if you're drawing a character like this, it's in white. If you're drawing a character like this, for example, you need to separate it so that you can move him simply, like that, which I'm just going to get rid of because I don't need that. But this is going to be my character. I could obviously add any color that I wanted to, so I'll just give him a little blue top and some black trousers, and I'll also give a bit more detail so they actually look like clothes. Then what you could do is something like a very light color, or whatever color kind of matches his face or their face, as a little shine. And with glasses you can also do this. So as I said, with glasses, as simple as that. You can also scale up your character. So say I want my character to be a bit bigger, you could change it from 100 to 120, or if you wanted them to be a bit smaller, you could change it to like 60. Another simple way to do this though would also just be to get your character and scale them up or scale them down, but this can mess up some of the details and things like that. So you can just put them there. Also, naming the sprite can be useful if you're with animating and things like that. So you can just call the character like 1 or 2 or anything, even just a name. And then what you're going to want to do is, well, add a bit more if you've made just a tiny little simple character, because you're going to need quite a lot of moving parts for some animations. Some you don't. So if you wanted to, you could get your little character and you could give him or her some little arms or something like that. And you can also copy and paste parts of it, which makes it really easy to add the same size or just a bit smaller of items. You then can also add extra pieces just to give them more design. If you wanted, you could give them a little mouth. And that's about it for creating a character. You can also obviously name the costume. If you name it 1, then the next ones will be the next number, and if you named it A, the next one would be B, like the alphabet. You obviously want to save your project just to make sure that your character is saved. If you just turn off your device, you obviously could do any extra detail, for example getting the color of maybe their shirt or any piece of clothing and just adding a bit without that, and then just doing something like that can also spice up the animation, even if it's very little and small. You can obviously do many shapes, many sizes, many animals, anything. It doesn't have to be a human. You could even do something else. Another useful feature is you can actually choose a Scratch costume. Say you wanted an apple, and you can copy and paste it onto your other character. So if you wanted, you could give your character something else. You don't have to do that though, obviously. And then there's also options like making them taller or making them smaller, which can look funny, but I'll just undo that. And that's about as simple as it is. It's quite easy to set up a little character on Scratch, and it can obviously be any type. It could be a stick man, a little figure like this, a human, and as I said, anything else. That's about it for today's tutorial. Next time I will be showcasing more on how to make an animation. Thank you and goodbye.